What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. And today we're on a train in Waterford. I was going to do a recreation of On the Way to Waterford, but I couldn't. I totally forgot. I'm sorry about that. But as you can see, we're on a train and we're currently moving. It's very, very cozy and very, very small. So it's just me and Bethany. Hi! Just me and Bethany alone. And then there's a little, so that's the doorway. I'm gonna zoom out so you can see better. And that's the doorway. We're just going past now.
And we have a window here.
There's a window there. There's an umbrella about to fall on me.
Someone that's our umbrella.
So yeah, and then we gotta look outside. People on their guitars. It's getting dark. Alright guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.